Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Info Engineering. So the topic for today is the calculation of cement, sand and aggregate for different grades of concrete. Let us take the common grades of concrete like M10, M15, M20. So we know that the ratio of M10 grade of concrete is 1:3:6, means 1 is the part of the cement, 3 is the part of the sand and 6 is the part of the aggregate. So the total ratio become 1 plus 3 plus 6 is equals to 10, or we can call it as a total volume. Okay, जो हमारा M10 है उसका जो रेशियो है वो 1:3:6 है. 1 जो है वो पार्ट ऑफ सीमेंट है, 3 जो है वो पार्ट ऑफ सैंड है और 6 जो है वो पार्ट ऑफ एग्रीगेट है. तो टोटल रेशियो यानी कि टोटल जो वॉल्यूम हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा 1 + 3 + 6 यानी हो गया वो इक्वल्स टू 10. सो नाउ वी कैलकुलेट दिस सीमेंट. ओके, now what we have to do, we have to calculate the amount of cement, sand and aggregate required for 1 cubic meter of M10 grade of concrete. So what we need 1 cubic meter of wet concrete. Okay, but in this calculation we are finding the dry concrete. So after pouring the water in the dry concrete, the dry concrete volume become less in the quantity, or due to shrinkage the volume become less. So in order to overcome all this shortage of concrete, what we have to do, we have to multiply the cement, sand and aggregate by the factor 1.54, so that the after shrinkage of concrete we will get 1 cubic meter of wet concrete. Okay, सिंपल है. यहाँ पे हमें क्या चाहिए, हमें यहाँ पे 1 क्यूबिक मीटर ऑफ वेट कंक्रीट चाहिए, और हम यहाँ पे जो कैलकुलेशन कर रहे हैं वो ड्राई कंक्रीट का कर रहे हैं. तो ड्राई कंक्रीट में पानी डालने के बाद में जो वेट कंक्रीट होगा उसका वॉल्यूम जो है वो कम हो जाएगा. इसलिए हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं, हम एक्सेस क्वांटिटी को अज्यूम करके यहाँ पे जो सीमेंट, सैंड एंड एग्रीगेट है इसको हम 1.54 फैक्टर से यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. ओके, so what will be the calculation of cement and aggregate? Here in the cement, what we will do, we will multiply the cement by 1.54. And what is the cement content? Cement is 1 out of the total 10. So we will do here 1.54 into 1 part of cement out of the total 10. So 1.54 into 1 by 10. So what will we get? After calculation we will get 0.154, and this answer will come in cubic meters. Okay, but for any construction we need this cement quantity in the form of number of bags. Okay, so what we will have to do, we have to first calculate the cement in the kg, then we have to convert it into number of the bags. So what is the density of cement? We know that the density of the cement is 1440, and density is mentioned in kg per meter cube, and this quantity come in meter cubes. Okay, so when you do 0.154, which is in the meter cube, into density, that is density of cement is 1440, which is in kg per meter cube. So meter cube get cancelled, and what we will get? We will get the quantity of cement in kg. So it is come across 221.76 kg. Okay, which is then divided by 50. Why we are dividing it here by 50? Because the weight of one bag of cement is 50 kg. One bag of cement is 50 kg. So after dividing this 221.76 kg of cement by 50, we will get here 4.4 bags. That means 1 cubic meter of cement needs 4.4 bags of cement. Okay, now what we will do, we will find the amount of sand and aggregate required for the M10 grade of concrete, like as is the cement. So what we will do, we will multiply the sand same like as the cement by 1.54, because we are finding here the dry volume, so we are multiplying this factor by 1.54. Now the sand ratio is 3 out of the 10. So we will multiply the sand by 1.54 into 3 divided by 10. So we will get the volume as 0.462 meter cube. So we require the sand in terms of cubic feet. For any construction we order the sand in terms of cubic feet. So what will we do here? We will multiply this 0.462 into now 1 cubic meter is equals to 35.31 cubic feet. This conversation you must know that 1 meter cube is equals to 35.31 cubic feet. Okay, so what will we do? We will multiply 0.462 into 35.31. We will get 16.31 cubic feet of sand for M10 grade of concrete for 1 cubic meter. Okay, now if you want to calculate this sand in terms of kg, so what you have to do? You have to multiply 0.462 into its density of the sand. What is the density of sand? Is 1.1650, and it may be vary according to type of the sand available. So I am taking here the density of sand as 1650, which whose unit is kg per meter cube, and what will get the answer? 0.462, which is in meter cube. So meter cube get cancelled, and what we will get this sand is equals to 762.3 kg. Okay, now we will calculate the aggregate. Now we will find the amount of aggregate which is required for M10 grade of concrete for 1 cubic meter. So the calculation is same like as the cement and sand. Here we multiply by the factor 1.54. Now the aggregate ratio is 6 out of the 10. So 1.54 into 6 divided by 10. So the calculation come across 0.924 meter cube. So we have to also order the aggregate in terms of cubic feet. So what we will do here, we will multiply 0.924 into 35.31. Why we multiply by 35.31? Because we know that 1 cubic meter is equal to 30.31 cubic feet. So we will multiply 0.924 into 35.31. The answer comes as 32.62 cubic feet. Okay, so if you want to know how much kg you will require, so what we will do here, we will multiply 0.924, which is in meter cube, into the density of aggregate is 1550, which may be vary according to type of the aggregate. So the density is in kg per meter cube. So after doing the calculation, meter cube get cancelled. The answer will be in kg. So the answer come as 1432.2 kg. Here again I am repeating this in the simple language as possible as. What is the ratio of the M10 grade of concrete is 1:3:6. 1 is the part of the cement, 3 is the part of the sand, and 6 is the part of the aggregate. Total ratio or the total volume become 1 plus 3 plus 6 is equals to 10. Here we calculate the cement. Cement is equals to why we are multiplying here by 1.54, because ये ड्राई वॉल्यूम है. ड्राई वॉल्यूम में हम ड्राई वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं, और हमें जो चाहिए वो वेट वॉल्यूम है. जो ड्राई वॉल्यूम है उसमें पानी डालने के बाद में वो सेट हो जाएगा, वो श्रिंक हो जाएगा, और जो हमारा क्वांटिटी है वो लेस हो जाएगा. इसलिए हम यहाँ पे सीमेंट को 1.54 फैक्टर से, सीमेंट या फिर सैंड और एग्रीगेट इन सबको 1.54 फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करने वाले, एक्सेस क्वांटिटी को कंसिडर करके हम यहाँ पे 1.54 फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करने वाले, ताकि उसमें जब पानी डालेंगे तो वो सेट हो जाएगा और हमें जो वेट क्वांटिटी है वो 1 क्यूबिक मीटर का मिल जाएगा. तो सीमेंट के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, 1.54 इंटू दी रेशियो ऑफ द कंटेंट ऑफ सीमेंट इज 1 आउट ऑफ द 10. सो हमने यहाँ पे 1.54 इंटू 1/10 किया है, हमें यहाँ पे 0.154 मीटर क्यूब मिला है आंसर. अभी जो हम सीमेंट है उसको हम ऑर्डर करने वाले हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ नंबर ऑफ बैग्स. तो हमें यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हाउ मच केजी ऑफ सीमेंट रिक्वायर्ड है M10 में वो निकालना पड़ेगा. तो उसके लिए हमें 0.154 जो मीटर क्यूब में आया है उसको हमें केजी में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. इसलिए हम डेंसिटी जो कि केजी पर मीटर क्यूब में रहता है वो सीमेंट का है 1440. डेंसिटी ऑफ सीमेंट इज 1440 विच इज इन केजी पर मीटर क्यूब. विल मल्टीप्लाई टू दिस आंसर that is which is come in meter cube. So meter cube get cancel, and what we will get 221.76 kg of cement. So the cement comes in 50 kg of bag. So one bag of cement is 50 kg. So 221.76 divided by 50 is equals to 4.4 bags. Means M10 में जो एक बैग का सीमेंट आता है वो 4.4 बैग्स है. देन उसके बाद में सैंड आता है। सैंड में भी सेम कैलकुलेशन आएगा। सैंड में हम 1.54 ड्राई वॉल्यूम है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे 1.54 इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। उसके बाद में सैंड का जो प्रोपोर्शन है वो 3 है आउट ऑफ द 10, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे 3 डिवाइडेड बाई 10 कर रहे हैं। हमें जो आंसर मिलेगा वो 0.462 मीटर क्यूब में आएगा। अभी जो 0.462 क्यूबिक मीटर है वो मीटर क्यूब में है, इसको हम डेंसिटी से जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एग्रीगेट के तो 1650 ये केजी पर मीटर क्यूब है। मीटर क्यूब कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे जो हमें आंसर आएगा वो 762.3 केजी में मिल जाएगा। अभी हम जो यहाँ पे सैंड है उसको हम कोई भी कंस्ट्रक्शन में क्यूबिक फीट में हम उसको ऑर्डर करते हैं। तो एक जो सैंड है और एग्रीगेट है उसका 1 क्यूबिक मीटर यानी कि 35.31 क्यूबिक फीट होता है। तो यहाँ पे एक जो मीटर क्यूब है, तो 1 cubic meter of aggregate and sand is equals to 35.31 cubic feet. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे 0.426 जो हमें मीटर क्यूब में मिला है इंटू 35.31 करेंगे तो हमें जो आंसर मिलेगा 16.31 क्यूबिक फीट आ जाएगा। उसके बाद में एग्रीगेट के लिए सेम है। एग्रीगेट है का जो कैलकुलेशन है वो 1.54 बिकॉज ऑफ द ड्राई वॉल्यूम आउट ऑफ जो इसका जो रेशियो है वो 6 है आउट ऑफ द 10। सो हम यहाँ पे 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 करेंगे, हमें आंसर मिलेगा 0.924 मीटर क्यूब। सो जो 0.924 मीटर क्यूब है वो किस में है, मीटर क्यूब में है। और डेंसिटी ऑफ एग्रीगेट क्या लिया है हमने यहाँ पे 1550 विच इज इन केजी पर मीटर क्यूब। मीटर क्यूब के कैंसल, द आंसर विल बी इन केजी एंड इट इज 1432.2 केजी। ओके, नाउ हम लोग जो एग्रीगेट है उसको हम क्यूबिक फीट में ऑर्डर करते हैं, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे 0.924 जो कि हमें मीटर क्यूब में मिला है और 1 मीटर क्यूब यानी कि कितना क्यूबिक फीट होता है 35.31। सो 0.924 इंटू 35.31 करने के बाद में हमें 32.62 क्यूबिक फीट ये हमें आंसर मिलता है। नाउ लेट अस कम टू M15 grade of concrete. So what is the ratio of M15 grade of concrete is 1:2:4. Total ratio or total volume become is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equals to 7. So here we calculate the cement. Cement is equals to 1.54 into what is the proportion of cement is 1 out of the total 7. So 1 divided by 7. So answer we will get is 0.22 meter cube. Okay. Now here the same, the density of cement is 1440 which is in kg per meter cube and this is in meter cube. So this meter cube and this kg per meter cube get cancelled and the answer come as 316.8 kg. Now the 1 bag of cement means 50 kg. So 316.8 divided by 50 is equals to 6.336 which is taken approximately as 6.5 bags. Okay, then sand is equals to 1.54 into the proportion of sand is 2 out of the 7. So we will do 1.54 into 2 divided by 7 is equals to 0.44 meter cube. So this 0.44 meter cube which is in meter cube into the density is 1650 as explained as earlier which is in kg per meter cube. Meter cube and meter cube will get cancelled, the answer come as 726 kg, but we need the sand in terms of cubic feet. So 1 cubic meter is equals to 35.3 cubic feet. So 0.44 into 35.31 is equals to 15.53 cubic feet. Similarly for aggregate, we will do the calculation like 1.54 into the proportion of aggregate is 4 out of the 7. So 1.54 into 4 divided by 7 is equals to 0.88 meter cube. Which is in meter cube, so which is then multiplied by the density of aggregate which is 1550. So answer is 1364 kg, but we need this aggregate also in the cubic feet. So what we will do here, we will multiply 0.88 which is in meter cube into 1 meter cube is how much cubic feet, 1 meter cube is equal to 35.31 cubic feet. Okay, so after this multiplication we will get the answer as 31.07 cubic feet. 1 meter cube is equals to 35.31 cubic feet. Okay, now The next grade of concrete is M20, whose ratio is 1:1.5:3. So total ratio of the total volume become 5.5. ठीक. Okay, then the cement is equals to 1.54 due to of the dry concrete. We will multiply by 1.54 into the cement proportion is 1 out of the total 5.5. So answer will be 0.28 meter cube, which is then multiplied by the density of cement as 1440. Answer will be 403.2 kg. So in order to calculate the number of bags of cement, we will divide it by the 50. So answer will be 8.064 bags, which is approximately taken as 8 bags. Okay, so we need 8 bags of cement for 1 cubic meter for M20 grade of concrete. Then for sand, what will we do? We will multiply by 1.54 into the sand proportion is 1.5 out of the total 5.5. So answer is 0.42 meter cube. So in order to calculate the kg of sand required, what will we do? We will multiply this 0.42 meter cube into the density of sand is 1650. Answer will be 693 kg. So in order to calculate in terms of cubic feet, we will multiply by the factor 35.31. So answer will be 14.83 cubic feet. Similarly, for aggregate, we will multiply by the factor 1.54 into the aggregate proportion is 3 out of the total 5.5. So answer will be 0.84 meter cube. In order to calculate the kg of cement required for the kg of aggregate required for the M20 grade of concrete, we will multiply by the density of aggregate as 1550 into 0.84. The answer will be 1302 kg. So in order to calculate the amount of cubic feet required, so we will multiply 0.84 into we know that 1 cubic meter is equals to 35.31 cubic feet. So 0.84 into 35.31 cubic feet, the answer will be 29.6 cubic feet. So what we will learn in this video, we learn that the M10, M15 and M20 grade of concrete will require 4.4 bags and 6.5 bags and 8 bags respectively. And the cement is calculated in terms of number of bags. Sand and aggregate in terms of cubic feet, and 1 meter cube is equals to 35.3 cubic feet. Sand we will order in terms of cubic feet. Cement we will order in terms of number of bags. Okay. Likes, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.